Hi, this video is about how to create this kind of cabinet with separate edge bending material. This is a sample cabinet that I made beforehand. Let's jump into the tutorial now. First, enter into wardrobe module. Select swing door wardrobe. I will use this new universal cabinet. Next, I'm going to change the cabinet material first. Please note that the cabinet material will be the edge bending material. Okay, now right click in the unit, add function part, standard component, neutral board, then stick it to the left. Add another one to the right. Okay. Then press B to enter board selection. Click on the left panel. Change the thickness to 1. And then move 1 to the left to fill the gap. Continue on the right one. Thickness put 1 and done. Now I'm going to change the back panel material. Okay, let's change to warm white. Okay, then press B again to exit the board selection. Okay, right click, add function part again. Standard component, laminate. I'll stick it to the bottom. Okay, board selection, click the panel. As you see here, there's a gap on both sides here. Let's check the size of the bottom panel. It's 564 here. Click the new panel again. I will change the size to 562 to deduct the left-right panel. Then move -17 to the left. Then change the thickness to 1. Continue on the upper part. Exit board selection, right click, add function part again, standard component, laminate, stick it to the top, put 0 here. Okay, again board selection, click the panel, change the size to 562, move -17 to the left, then change the thickness to 1 and move up in Z17. Now I'm gonna right click the back panel and select Format Painter to apply the material to other panels. Then right click to end. Next, I'm gonna add a shelf inside. Right click, add function part, standard component, laminate. Okay, board selection, click the panel, change the size to 562, move -17 to the left. Okay, exit board selection. Click the shelf, adjust the inner distance here. Let's say 600. Then I'm going to add another laminate to stick it to the shelf. Put 0. Okay, again board selection, click the panel, change the size to 562, move -17 to the left, and then change the thickness to 1. Right click Format Painter to apply same material to the shelf, and don't forget the edge bending material too. Okay, right click to end. Do the same on the bottom of the shelf. Okay, for the left and right outer panel, we can use the basic panels filler. Okay, see the light board, stick it to the side. Board selection, click the panel, change the thickness to 1 and put 1 on X. On the left, okay, drag the see the light board, just change the thickness to 1 and then format painter, lastly the top panel we can use the super board here, just change the thickness to 1 and format painter later. And we are done. Thank you for watching.